Hello everyone, I'm Boris. I was there a long time ago and there was no video, no news, and I think I have to return in this channel because I have to practice more, I have to grow my English, and if you know, I had some challenge every day, 1 year, everyday videos in English, but after that, I have some rest and it was too lazy to do something with new videos, with some new ideas, and I take turn on pause, and it was summer, and also I spent a lot of time on my training days, on my garage, on my work, and so it was no time for this, it was no ideas for this, and after that I understood I lose my skills in English, I lose my habit for this with my English. And so I try to return on this and did my first video on December. And so I will try to show you my work, my some ideas on my work, and maybe some my work researches with some new products, or maybe it will be my researches with my application, what I use. And big part of these activities on this channel, it will be my garage, my trainings, my motorcycles life and style. And so if you want to know more about how it be to be how it to be a product manager in Kazakhstan, who loved motorcycles, who love training on motorcycles, who love to teach to be different people how to ride motorcycle, and all this mix will be there on my channel. So let's start. It will be new challenge for me again. I'm not sure how it will be time to time. It will be, I think it will be something around once on a week. I think we start from this point, and after that I will try to be maybe more active, or maybe it will be long videos, or faster but shortly. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, and maybe we will see. So my first work on this time, it will be my Kawasaki Ninja. It's 23 year. It's too long, and this age on this motorcycle, it's age 22 years. So I had some trouble with this motorcycle. It's my stand bike for some tricks or some sport riding, and I have some trouble with the engine. I tried to sell this motorcycle, but those people who's watched this motorcycle, they offered me so not enough money, and I decided to sell this motorcycle, and so I will try to fix it. And next video on this channel, I think it will be my disassembling engine, and we will see what's the problem, how it costs, what costs I will spend for this engine, or maybe I will decide not fix this engine and looking some new, also used but working engine from maybe Japan, maybe from Europe, I'm not sure. We will see when I will disassemble this motorcycle, disassemble this engine, and we will see. So thank you for stay on this channel. Thank you for your support, and also if you have some information about how to buy some engine for Kawasaki ZX 636 Ninja 23 or 20.4 year, you can write me about this. I want to know about this. So thank you and see ya. Bye.